Packing for your next adventure just got a whole lot easier. Say goodbye to the chaos of a disorganized suitcase and hello to the ultimate travel companion, packing cubes. These ingenious travel essentials not only save space but also keep your belongings neatly organized, making your trip more enjoyable and stress-free. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional vacationer, our curated list of the best packing cubes will transform the way you pack forever. Check out the product links in the description to find your perfect set. Packing cubes for suitcases. Welcome to our video on the ultimate travel essential, the 8-piece packing cube set for suitcases. This set includes foldable suitcase organizer bags designed to streamline your travel experience. These grey travel bags are perfect for keeping your luggage organized, making packing and unpacking a breeze. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, these packing cubes ensure your clothes and accessories stay neat and tidy. Say goodbye to messy suitcases and hello to effortless organization. Watch the video to see how these packing cubes can transform your travel routine. Suitcase Set Packing Cubes. Suitcase Set Packing Cubes for travel. These ash gray luggage organizer bags are your new travel essentials, perfect for keeping your belongings neat and tidy. Designed to fit seamlessly in carry-on suitcases, these packing cubes make packing and unpacking effortless. With this set, you can organize your clothes, accessories, and travel essentials efficiently, maximizing your suitcase space and minimizing hassle. Watch as we demonstrate how these durable and stylish packing cubes transform your travel experience. 6-set packing cubes. King Deluxe 6-set packing cubes for suitcases. These stylish pink travel luggage organizers are perfect for both men and women. This set includes a laundry bag, compression storage shoe bag, and a clothing underwear bag, making packing and organizing your suitcase easier than ever. Keep your clothes, shoes, and accessories neat and separated, maximizing space and minimizing wrinkles. Perfect for any trip, these packing cubes streamline your packing process and make unpacking a breeze. Sturdy Suitcase Organizer. Suitcase 8-pieces packing cubes for travel. These sturdy suitcase organizers come in 4 sizes: extra large, large, medium, and small. Perfect for women on the go, this set includes a toiletry bag, making it an essential for all your travel needs. Whether you're packing for a cruise or a weekend getaway, these luggage cubes keep your items organized and easy to access. Maximize your suitcase space and minimize the stress of packing. Lean Travel Compression Packing Cubes. Lean Travel Compression Packing Cubes for travel. This 6-pack set, in sleek grey, includes 2 large, 2 medium, and 2 small cubes, each equipped with a double zipper for maximum compression. These packing cubes are designed to save space and keep your suitcase organized, making your travel experience smoother and more efficient. Perfect for both short trips and extended vacations, the Lean Travel Cubes help you pack more efficiently and keep your clothes wrinkle-free. Ready to revolutionize your travel experience? With the best packing cubes at your disposal, you can pack smarter, stay organized, and travel with ease. No more rummaging through messy bags, just neatly packed essentials ready for your next adventure. Explore our top picks and discover the perfect packing cubes for your needs. Don't forget to click on the product links in the description to shop now and start your journey towards hassle-free packing.